Hi everybody, it's Edward here with Romero Roofing and Siding. Today I want to show you something that it took me a lot of years to figure out. I always struggle with this for many years. Was when I was first getting started in the roofing industry. But today I'm going to show it to you for free so you can take advantage of this really great idea. So people always ask me how I do repairs on a very steep roof. How do I walk up on the roof? Well, today I'm gonna show you. It's really easy. Everything comes down to one simple tool. So let me flip the camera here so I can show you. So here I'm gonna walk up to the ladder where I have everything already set up. So I have my ladder here, my regular ladder, against the gutter. And then this is a very steep roof. There's no way anybody can walk on this roof. I don't care how much experience you have, you're not gonna be able to walk on this roof. It's very dangerous. So here I have a ladder already set up here. So I'm gonna show you what I did here. I found this tool that I actually bought it at Home Depot. It's a very simple tool, but it's amazing. So here you see how I have this tool hooked up to the ladder, and this tool is hooked to the other side of the roof section right here. Look at that. Has a little wheel, so when you put the this hook on the ladder, so when you're gonna push it up the roof, so you make sure that that wheel is hitting the roof, because that's the wheel that is gonna make it easier for you to push the ladder up the roof. And then hi. Okay, okay, I'll knock on the door. So basically that wheel is going to be hitting the roof, and it's going to make it really easy for you to push this ladder up the roof, because it's a heavy ladder. And then once you push it up and then you're like near the ridge area, then you just flip the ladder, and then the hook is going to hook here on the other side of the ridge area. I think you can see that better there. And that is literally how you walk on a very steep roof. You can do any kind of repairs there from the ladder, and you don't have to worry about falling. That's literally how we do it. And once you're up on the roof, you can just move the ladder around, and then that's it. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you that little secret. It's very simple, but it's very important for safety. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you.